Hello and welcome to lovers of yoga, creativity and art. Today I want to take you on a special magical journey into a holistic creative experience. If you close your eyes for just a moment and imagine yourself standing in a breathtaking gardens of a cortico hidden in the hills of Andalucia. These spectacular gardens have been meticulously designed to capture the essence of the Alhambra Palace, and we offer you an experience that is nothing short of magical. But before we delve into this enchanting journey, let me introduce ourselves.
My name is Sari Sharmini Pentila, and I'm so looking forward to share yoga with you in this beautiful place of Little Alhambra.
And I'm Joy Fay, and I'm an artist and teacher. I've been teaching many years, helping people develop their creativity and their skills with their painting. And Sari and I are both super excited to welcome you to the Little Alhambra for a wonderful creative art and yoga retreat. This is not just any retreat, it's a once in a lifetime opportunity to immerse yourself in art, soft yoga, and dance and movement in the profound beauty of this enchanting location. Our mission is to help you unlock your artistic potential, to guide you towards that deeper well of creativity that resides within all of us. There are so many beautiful places for us to do our art and do our yoga and dance and be with like-minded people, and wonderful rooms all done in a Moroccan style, all cozy and beautiful, waiting for you to arrive. But this isn't just about art. It's about rejuvenation, self-discovery, and the profound connection between creativity and inner peace. I'm sure you will agree that this is the most magical place to have this transformative adventure. So don't let this extraordinary opportunity pass you by. Join us in the Little Alhambra and let us together create a tapestry of art, serenity, and self-discovery that will stay with you for a lifetime. All the information is here below if you want to click the link, choose your dates, and make your reservation. And we look forward to seeing you at the Little Alhambra here in Andalucia in southern Spain.